Hi, I'm Grant Fritschle, Resort Realtor, and today we're just outside of Ocean City, Maryland in the golf community of River Run, where I want to feature two newly constructed properties built by the nation's leader in energy efficient new construction. Come inside. Tucked away between the beaches of Ocean City, Maryland and America's coolest small town, Berlin, Maryland, River Run is a golf course community situated on the St. Martin's riverfront, featuring a pool, community center, private restaurant, and surprisingly low association fees. Our two-story Brenner and our single-story Drake floor plan both offer 4 bedrooms and a 2-car garage. Both properties offer countless upgrades, including luxury LVP flooring, quartz kitchen countertops, gas ranges, and most importantly, an unmatched attention to detail in a quality-focused construction process that includes 2x6 zip wall construction, encapsulated crawl spaces, one of the industry's first high SEER inverter HVAC systems, PEX plumbing, tankless water heater, and so much more. All of this available in a 4-bedroom home with garage for under $390,000. If you'd like more information on this property, please feel free to visit us at thesignThatsells.com. If you're thinking about selling your property and you'd like your property featured in a video just like this, please feel free to reach out. We'd love to help. Have a great day.